Didn't see you there. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you are new. Well, if you couldn't tell from, the title of this video, this is going to be a pack with me for New York video. It is currently like 8:30ish and I have to get on a plane tomorrow morning at 6 in the morning, which means I have to leave my house at like 4 a.m. It's so fun. Yeah. And I haven't started packing yet, but I really wanted to film a pack with me video in case anybody is going on some trips this summer and wanted some help. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and check the weather for where I'm going to make sure I don't pack clothes that I'm not going to need and that I pack clothes that I will need. Right now it's 60 degrees. I'm going to be there for Wednesday through Saturday. And the high of those days is 74 degrees and the low is like 53-ish. So it's not awful, but I definitely am gonna want pants. So what I'm gonna do is pick out like outfits that I like. And then I also like to throw in a few other things just in case I decide I want to change it up once I'm there. So I'll pick out like, maybe these jeans and this shirt look cute together, so I'll pair that and I'll put it in my suitcase. And then maybe I also want to grab these pair of pants just to be on the safe side, and they're just extra in case I decide I'd rather wear those instead of the other ones, you know what I mean? Oh, the other thing that I did is I made a packing list earlier and I just wrote down everything I could think of that I would need, so I don't forget that I need deodorant and I did not have that on my list. Hold on, let me add it. So let's get started. I think that's pretty good. Let's outfit match. Okay guys, so I came up with some different outfits that I think are cute and hopefully are good for the weather, and then we'll figure out shoes and we'll bring PJs and underwear, all done. I always like to bring one bathing suit even if I know it's going to be cold, just in case there's like a pool or a reason that I need to go swimming or want to go swimming. I like to swim, so just being prepared. So we're looking pretty full on this side, but you're probably wondering, why is this side still empty? Well, shoes, hair stuff, makeup, it all takes up room. So it goes in this side. Let's do shoes first. Let's do that. Oh, wow, I love having dirty shoes on my bed. It's so fun. Oh my god, this is grossing me out a lot. I'm gonna push them off now. First of all, I'm going to pack some good old flip-flops. I always suggest bringing flip-flops or sandals or something like that because walking around the hotel room, you're not going to want to have to bend down and tie shoes every time you want to walk out the door. So yeah, flip-flops. Then I'm bringing a pair of good old Converse. I wear these all the time. Literally all of the time. So gotta bring those. I have two different pairs of Nikes. I have black ones and the black and white ones. My black and white ones are pretty dirty. I kind of think I'm going to bring both because I'll be walking a lot, but I'm going to wear these on the plane and then I'll bring these in case sometimes when you change shoes after walking a lot, it kind of releases the pressure on your feet. I don't know. And then I would like to bring a pair of heels in case we do dinner or something, but I don't know. Maybe I'll bring the more neutral ones because these ones are a little bit pink and these ones literally will go with everything, so I think I'll bring these. Let me grab the hair stuff. Hair stuff achieved. I've got some dry shampoo, a hairbrush, my straightener. Okay, we are at my desk. All my makeup's in here. Let's pack the makeup. Makeup is packed. Let's put it in the suitcase. And now I need to pack my toothbrush, face wash, acne medications, and all that fun stuff. Okay guys, so in this little baggie I have a toothbrush, toothpaste, face wash, and my little mouth guard for my dentist. Along with that, I also will be packing my Clinique moisturizer. Love this stuff. But I'm going to use this tonight, so I'm not going to pack it yet. I'm also going to pack my acne medication from my doctor. Again, I'm going to use this again tonight, so I'm not packing it yet. And then my other acne medication from my doctor. We'll be packing that as well. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to pack is my deodorants and stuff. So this is the Magic in the Air body mist from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good, and I'm going to bring this. And then I'm going to bring my Secret deodorant. And then I'm also going to bring this Tom's deodorant that's actually for kids, but I think it smells really, really good. It's the Wicked Cool one. The reason I'm bringing this is it doesn't have aluminum in it, so I try to use deodorants without aluminum as much as possible. They don't always work as well, so I always bring the other one as like a backup, but I do prefer to use one without aluminum just because actually aluminum is really bad for you and like not good, so I try not to use it when I don't need to. Alright, so that's pretty much everything that's going to be going into my suitcase. I now have to pack my carry-on bag, but as for my suitcase, I have a few little things I'm going to throw in it, like the acne medication and stuff I'm going to use on my face tonight. So I'll zip that up in the morning or later tonight, I don't know yet. And now I have to pack my carry-on. I did a what's in my carry-on bag last year on my travel, like before I went traveling, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked down below. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already to watch more of my videos, and also I have so many more videos on my channel, so like if you're bored, you can totally go and watch them all. I wouldn't be upset about that at all. Like, I would recommend it. If you guys want to keep up with me and my New York trip, and I have other trips this summer coming up, my social media is down below. You should go and follow me there, and I can talk to you guys on there. That's so fun. Let me know down below if you guys are going on any trips this summer, if you're just chilling at home over the summer. I want to know, so let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!